is Trevor Moran and
Blake.
Ebola. This week on Oatswell, it is Halloween week. So I thought, why not make something delicious with Halloween candy? I'm going to be having pancake mix and this make babies. Not YouTube appropriate, Blake. So I'm going to get a bunch of this poured on and I don't know, somehow crumble it and it's gonna work, okay? So we got this. Where's our bowl? We need a bowl. So, 1 cup of mix. Okay, pour the water in. That's me. I wish you guys could see this right now. Hallelujah. This is gonna be the best pancake.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. I'm Hulk Hogan, brother.
Will it blend?
That is the question.
Bitch, you guessed it.
Dude, it smells like a fire. It smells like it's burning.
Gotta grease it up. Okay, so this was our test pancake. Did you just? Yikes. Okay, so that was a flopper. That was the test pancake. Now let's go to the real one. See, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. Oh crap, I burned it, but who cares? Okay, yeah, that looks ready. When I hear echo. Cue the Jeopardy music. This is literally a flop cake. Okay, that's a little less burnt than before. Another. I am probably the worst pancake maker in existence. Awesome. Boom, shaka, laka. Woo! I actually sense a fire hazard here. And our last one. That's probably my best one. That's the best one. That's the least burnt. We're done.